You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn now, once and for all, how to pronounce the name of this famous English civil engineer for history, Sir Joseph Balzalgette. It's how it's pronounced in the UK. Balzalgette. The French pronunciation would be Balzalgette, but that's how his name is pronounced. Sir Joseph Balzalgette. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.